Let's go over the best way to clean metal and vinyl siding. Pressure washing is loud, time-consuming, and ineffective at properly cleaning stains from algae, mold, and mildew, and it often causes growth to return faster. Not to mention that vinyl, wood, and windows are all easily damaged by improper pressure washing. 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner is perfect for cleaning your home's exterior, from metal or vinyl siding to a log cabin. Here's how. 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner comes in a concentrate or hose end attachment. Select the concentrate sizes for larger jobs. For hard-to-reach areas such as roofs and second stories, select the hose end sprayer. Always test in a small, inconspicuous area prior to cleaning a surface for the first time. Apply 30 seconds in sections, starting at the bottom and working your way up, following the directions for soaking times listed on the bottle. Soak time depends on the severity of the stains and how porous the surface is. Vinyl and metal will require about 3 minutes soaking time, while stucco can be up to 15 minutes. Brushing or additional soaking time may be required for heavily stained surfaces. After that, simply rinse away stains from algae, mold, and mildew. Wipe out dirt and grime, and even red clay to reveal a like-new clean surface. Take an extra moment to rinse windows and surrounding foliage that may have been sprayed directly with a cleaner. 30 seconds breaks down readily in the soil and will not harm plants and landscaping. Now enjoy your nice clean house. Click here for more information or to find out where you can purchase 30-second cleaners.